Hello everybody, I'm back. We are here to talk about fluids, staying hydrated, and the increased need of electrolytes while on keto. All right, what are the best ways to make sure you're getting plenty of all? So let's start with fluids in general. A good guideline to follow for normal everyday life is to drink roughly half your body weight in ounces of water. For example, a 130-pound woman should drink roughly 65 ounces of water daily. It will help to cleanse your body of toxins, optimize nutrient flow to repair those worked muscles, and even may help in the mobilization and transport of fats to the liver to be burned, right? Take a minute to reflect on your current hydration status. If you're not getting enough, time to up that, all right? Because on keto, you should be getting in even more water daily since we're cutting out a lot of typical daily fluid sources like soda, juice, Gatorade, even fruits and other carb sources that have water in them. But just drinking a lot of water isn't going to be nearly as effective if you're not replenishing those literally crucial to life electrolytes, all right? Sodium and potassium, among many others, especially on keto. Since we're changing our body's fuel source, what we eat, okay, so do the fluctuations in fluid balance. A little differently than when eating a typical carb diet. When you're eating a normal carbohydrate diet, what are they filled with? Lots of sodium, all right, or lots of salt. That's why they're always like, watch how much sodium you're taking in, watch your blood pressure, yada, yada, yada. Well, all of that goes out the window with keto because actually you need to be getting in more sodium since you're not getting it from those carb sources of foods. So you need to be adding in extra, salting your food, drinking the electrolytes, getting it all in will help you feel much, much better and energized on keto. Thus, getting in those extra electrolytes on keto is an absolute must. And an easy way to do that is supplementing with an exogenous ketone drink. All right, it will not only help you get into ketosis and replenish those needed electrolytes, but seriously, they taste amazing. The Team Keto Fuel tastes amazing, and I absolutely love it. In my experience, it helps like ditching the soda, other sugary drinks, and reduce cravings a lot easier. So try carrying a bottle of water around with you everywhere you go to start creating the habit now of drinking enough fluids daily. And also don't be afraid to add extra salt to your food, all right? Actually, you should do it. You can look into a few brands like Pink Himalayan salt, Redmond Real Salt, or potassium salt brand No Salt are also great choices.